Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to attach two granny squares together using the invisible stitch. I'm only going to be showing how to do two of them. I have two here. And what you're going to need is yarn for sewing and a darning needle. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take these two granny squares that are facing up and we're going to close them together so that the back is now facing out. So the two fronts are facing each other and the back of the granny squares are facing out. And we're going to grab our yarn and put it through, and then we're going to align the two granny squares so that they're laying symmetrically against each other. The issue is the yarn is really dark, so I'm hoping it picks up on camera. Okay, so hopefully you can see better now. Again, we're going to grab the front loop of the granny square in the back and the back loop of the granny square in the front, and we're just going to pull, and that'll give you a nice invisible stitch when you're done. So you're just going to continue along the top doing the same thing that you've been doing, and you're going to repeat it all the way till the end. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and if not, I'm really sorry. This also works for sweaters or blankets. It can work for anything, and it's really easy to do, and that's why I like it. But there are a lot of different ways to stitch granny squares together. And we're almost done. the end, you're going to grab the yarn that you're using to sew these together, and you're going to pull from both sides. And that should do it. That should secure the granny squares in place. Obviously, I have a lot of loose ends, so I'm going to have to sew them in. Let me know what you think, and if you want more tutorials, and if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.